multifunctional air compressor. Let's see what it's about. Ooh, it's battery operated. Nice. And I think this is going to be the plug. Yes, it's a plug, floaty, and so on. Okay, turn it on, PSI, bar, KPA, and this one, PSI, that's what I'll be using. Or I can do the blower for this one right here to fill up the pool floaty. This is just perfect home pump. And there's attachments, different ones. Plugs in this way, and then plugs in into here. So I might as well keep it all together. If I need a smaller one, all I have to do is take it out. It'll stay all together. Nice. Okay. Ooh, very powerful. Pretty quiet too. I like it. Okay, now we'll do this one. Once it's plugged in, it's pretty quiet too. Okay. Let us shut off and light. Perfect for the car and filling up at night time. Okay, this rolls up right here and locks in. This is beautiful. Everything we need. Okay, this comes off and stash away into this little holder. 1 and 2. Wow, it's not in the way at all. Ooh, and to deflate it, it goes plugs in into here. Ooh, even better option. There's a plug without the batteries. Goes right into the car in case, or it goes straight into the wall. Wow, so batteries is just in case to get out without any power. And there's 2 plugs. I've probably never seen that before. That is amazing actually, wow. Astra AI multifunctional jump starter. Got this in fan mail. Yeah, let's see. Ooh, nice little holder. Okay. Adapters. USB-C, USB-B. Plugs. Okay. Manual. There's a little double holder. Okay. Ooh, I like it the way it looks so far. Okay, USB-C to charge like smaller devices. This to jump start the car. What I'm interested in is, will it start my lawnmower? My battery is completely done. On my lawnmower, it's 80% power, USB 12 volt. Okay, let's go start up our lawnmower, see if it works. There's a flashlight and letting us know light. Flashlight, very stone flashlight. Off. Then there's boost. We probably will have to use a boost and compass. I turned it off, my battery is like pretty bad. Okay, plug it in. Plug it in. Okay, and I will use the boost because this battery is so old it will not recharge itself for sure. Okay, let's see. Boost. Boost. Okay. That is amazing, and it's still at 78%. It didn't even use too much battery. Let's try to start it without the battery, see what happens. I will unplug this all the way. So I need that starter so bad. And that's it. The battery is done. Because the battery is so old, but before I go buy a new battery, I need to cut the grass. I can help it out by starting it, turn it on, put it right here, and I probably will use the boost again, or maybe without the boost. Okay, boost. And it starts And you know, it's amazing, I only lost 2% on the battery, and it starts pretty good. Look at that, 76%, lost only 2%. So very powerful jump starter, I love it. And turn it off. Kayaking anchor, let's see, quick unboxing overview. Ooh, that pouch is very padded, which is nice, so because it's metal, in case it drops, it will not damage it. So there's a rope and a buoy, and the way this works, twists and unlocks and locks in here. And then once we flip it open, it locks in like that. Perfect. Wow, that's so cute. I love it. Tiny little anchor for kayaking, throw it into the sand or throw it into the ground. Beautiful. Obviously won't be any deep. For kayaking is perfect. Lock it in, flip it over. Locks in, stays together. I love the buoy in case they drop the rope, it will not sink, so it will float in case it comes off from kayak. Easy to retrieve it again. Solar monocular 8x25. So let's see what's about. Boxing, quick one. Nice, comes with a holder, a string. Very well packaged. Ooh, it's perfect. Really small and compact. There you go, grippy. There's a name, Vertex. Beautiful. There's a hole, and this side here adjustable up and down, and this, ooh, nice, zooming out. Okay, at first it was a little tight, it's brand new. Okay, there's a barn over here. Let's see what's inside of it. Okay, and we're in focus. That's quite nice, so I can see what's in there. Focus a little bit more. So in a sense, it's kind of zoom in out is the focus. Can see what's over there too. Kind of hard to find the exact level on the camera, but there it is. Perfect. And without it, very far away. Let's look at the dogs. Because the camera also kind of overexposed. There it is. There they are. There's another one. That's cool. And let's see what it looks like when I hold in it. Oh yeah. Nice. Easy to focus, easy to hold it. I think it's perfect for like children and stuff, because it's so easy to navigate. Easy to focus it, one eye, no problem. I like it. So bird watching and stuff, pretty cool. Very easy to hike with because it's so compact. Oregon chainsaw safety helmet. Okay. Looks like we're a little bit of assembly. Let's see how it's done. This will lock into here. It just kind of pops in pretty easily. And this will slide into here, and there's a little clip. So locked in right here. Turn all this, and we will lock it in sideways and slide in. Really nice mesh, feels like metal. And just slide it in here and turn. So very easy, replaceable. That's good. And last two things right here. Okay, this will unspin right here and adjust very easily. Okay, and then tighten this in the back. Oh yeah, can go in the back right here. That's beautiful. It's not going to come out, especially on top of it. This side here, oh, I cannot hear pretty much anything. It's so hard to hear myself. Locking this way, locks this way. Nice, sits in a really tight, especially with this earmuffs holding it, very comfortable. If I want to talk to somebody, can open both ears. Chainsaws are really loud, very nice to have ear protection like that. Boom, and in case something cheap falls out, there's a nice shield. Stainless steel hose. Ooh, comes with this attachment, nozzle attachment. So it's a lot of hose, very long hose, but it is very compact. Also, it is kink-free. It does not get kinked. Let's see the pressure on this hose. Also, when I grab it and pull it all together, it does not get tangled. Even whenever it's a very long hose, let's try to tangle it up. All I have to do is just shake it off and it just untangles itself. There's a little nut. You see, it's a kink-free. It doesn't get kinked, even if it get knotted. Super easy to untie it. So it's perfect for the pool because it just looks good too. Okay, let's plug it in. Ooh, the pressure is really nice. That's my house pressure. Beautiful. Also, what's nice about it, if I need to drag the hose, it's kind of slides on the ground. Rubber hoses, because they're rubber, they don't slide that easy. They kind of slip resistant. This one is really easy to drag on the ground, especially the long hoses. I like it. Hitch lock, there's 4 rubber rings so it doesn't wiggle around. Layer cover from the dirt. Let's see. Very easy to unlock it. Nice. And this is really easy to adjust it and replace it. Lock it. Boom. And will it stay together? Will it lock? Nope. Have to have a key to lock it back up, which is nice because I can keep this separate. Lock it. Boom. It goes in and it comes out from this side, too short, so remove the ring, the one that I usually will go. That looks good. Okay, and then lock it in and put the cover back on. Beautiful. I only left one ring on. That's nice. If I want to unlock it, just grab the key and then twist it, remove it. Works with one hand. Boom. Flip this over and put lock again. Very nice. Okay, got that here at the top. Whoa, comes with a holder. That is perfect for hiking or having it in the, like a car for emergency situation. Okay, let's see. This one is a Camo color. There's the, whoa, like a reflector, heat reflector. That's nice. So it's perfect to make a like a sideways tub and lay down under it with sticks and a rope. It's just big enough to make a mini tent, and it's very lightweight. And also to make a campfire. This is here like a heat reflector. Very high quality tub. I like it. Wow, that's beautiful. In case I need to make a signal, I can flip it this way. In case I need to make a cover, I can use it this way. That is cool. Hiking and such. Another thing is very important to me. Will it fit back into the holder? And it looks like no problem. And it's a compact size, so fits really well. There it is. I like it. Wow, doesn't take too much space. Perfect. 20 ounces travel mug. This is a Stanley and it keeps 9 hours hot, 12 hours cold and 40 hours iced. So there's a button right here. Before sip, push the button and it will release the liquid. So perfect cup for coffee. Comes out like this. Ooh, interesting. So that can come off all the way. That is cool for cleaning. And then to lock it back in. Locks in like this. And then there's a button. Pushes again very easily. Okay, instructional, very nice. I love that. And there's a Stanley logo on the bottom. Okay. Again, grab on like this and drink out of it, so it automatically seals it. Hitch lock, there's 4 rubber rings so it doesn't wiggle around. Layer cover from the dirt. Let's see, very easy to unlock it. Nice. And this is easy to adjust it and replace it. Lock it, boom. And will it stay together? Will it lock? Nope. Have to have a key to lock it back up, which is nice because I can keep this separate. Lock it, boom. It goes in and it comes out from this side, too short, so remove the ring, the one that I usually will go. That looks good. Okay, and then lock it in and put the cover back on. Beautiful. I only left one ring on. That's nice. If I want to unlock it, just grab the key and then twist it, remove it. Works with one hand. Boom. Flip this over and put lock again. Very nice.